This is a quick video just to show you how to do roti, okay? You guys need to get the hook back on. I have a KitchenAid Professional 600. I'm only making roti no lot just for the 4 of us, okay? You guys should know how much you need. This is about 2.5 to 3 cups. Once you have the hook on, here, this guy needs to go back up, lock itself into place. Make sure this is there. This is hooked. And back here, I don't know if you guys can see it, but that needs to be tight, okay? I'm going to turn it on, just unmix. Just unstir, nothing more. You see it? Give it a second, it starts doing thick, it's thick. I'm gonna go get some water and be right back. Okay, here we go, just adding some water. Now, increase this. Do not, for dough or roti no lot, do not go past 2. That is the highest you should ever go. There it goes. See? The loaf is forming itself. I have no patience, so I keep doing this every once in a while. You don't have to. It does wonders all by itself. See? I just like to see whether I want it looser or firmer. It's going to keep going like this for a few minutes. I'll be back. Alright, so I've added sufficient water so that it could be nice and loose, because that's how I want it. You see, I'm actually going to lower it just by 1 again. Okay, this is how I like it, you know, where it just keeps going and going and going. There we go. So it's eventually going to take all that other roti off of it, the flour. If not, you can always do this and voila, but be careful. See? Nice and loose. Your dough is ready. Enjoy. I realized I didn't actually show you how to turn it off. There you go. You then drop this guy, and if you need to, you can always take this guy, align it, bring it down, and take it off the hook. There you go. It usually comes off clean. We're good.